Alright, this will be the elevator at the Rainforest Cafe here in downtown San Antonio. It's a Schindler HT with vandal resistant buttons. And what's weird is it's right here in the middle of the gift shop. Alright, go to 4, it's locked, 3. There's music playing, so I'm gonna get a copyright. We're already here. Here we're at 3. We got people coming down. Coming down?
Are you coming down or going down?
Yeah, I'm going down.
Sorry, I have a stroller.
1, right?
Yeah.
Alright, over go. So we're gonna press 3R and 3. I want to show you how little space. So 3R is the one that opens up on that rear door right there. And of course, door close does not work as this is a Schindler and we will do our cap view going up. So it's a pretty nice elevator as it is themed. It's in a Rainforest Cafe. I do like it. Here are 3 rear. It's got a 2,100 pound capacity. There's your Schindler logo right there. And there's 3R. And that literally opens up like right here. And I'm assuming, I don't know what's behind there. But 3 is just up that little flight of steps. And I'll show you how little space it is. Like watch how quick it goes up. And that's the squeaky door. Already done. Here are 3. There's your certificate right there. And here we are. And up here is the restaurant. It's a 3-story restaurant, which is actually pretty impressive. And there's that. And then right down there, just on this little flight of steps, that's the 3 rear doors. So I guess that'll be bad.